Hello, 5th grade. This is Miss Carpenter from John Adams Elementary, and we're going to talk about one specific thing in this instructional video for your decoding for this week. And our main focus today is to look at unstressed syllables. And with these unstressed syllables, we're also going to have the schwa sound. So let's go ahead and get started. So I want you to take a look at this word that I have on my screen. This is the word arrive. And when I look at the word arrive, I notice automatically that there are two syllables. And you can see below, right here, I have this broken up into two syllables for you. So as we look and we pronounce this, we would have arrive. Arrive. If you notice right here, the very first syllable that I'm circling right there for you on your screen has the unstressed schwa sound. And remember, many unstressed syllables have that sound, the schwa sound, and it is usually pronounced as the sound, and any vowel can make that schwa sound. It's not always an A. Could be any of those vowels. And remember, we know all of our vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and sometimes Y. So pay attention to that today. So when we look at this unstressed syllable, also, it can appear in any parts of the word. It can appear in the beginning of the word. It can appear, or the first syllable of a word, the second syllable of the word, and even sometimes if there's more than two syllables in a word, it could appear in a middle syllable of a particular word. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you some different examples of how it can be in the first syllable, the middle syllable, and then also the last syllable. So I'm going to move my screen down, and let's just remember our focus today is looking at unstressed syllables, and we're also incorporating that schwa sound in words. So I have this nice little chart for you, and we're going to look at these examples. The very first one that we have is right here. It is amount. And when you separate that into syllables, you have amount. And this one has a first syllable that has the unstressed schwa sound. If you can say that word, amount. You really hear the mount, the in the mount part. The second example that I have is terrify. This word has three syllables. So we have terrify. That one has the middle syllable with the unstressed schwa. Let me say it for you again so you can really hear it. You have terrify. So you can hear the sound. And the last example that we have here is common. This has two syllables. So you have common. 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 You hear the last syllable here has the unstressed schwa sound. Now let me just remind you that unstressed schwa sound is the sound, and it's made by a vowel and can be with any vowel and can be in any syllable of a word. Okay, so keep that in mind as we're looking at this particular skill this week. And I want you and when you're thinking about determining stressed or unstressed syllables, it's by pronouncing the word in several different ways. So when you pronounce something, sometimes you have to say things over and over and over and to really almost stretch out your words so you can really hear where it is stressed or where it is unstressed. And this week, let's remember, we're talking about unstressed syllables, and they include that schwa sound. If you're having difficulty figuring it out, it would help dividing the words into syllables. That might help you decide whether it's an unstressed syllable with the schwa. And if you're still even having more trouble with it, you could possibly even look at an online dictionary to help you out. So what we're going to do now, I've sort of shown you some examples. I'm going to model for you some words that we have, and we're going to look at some more examples together. So I'm going to pull up this chart here. And remember, we're looking at unstressed syllables, and they can appear anywhere in a word. And they often have that sound or that schwa vowel sound. So let's just take a look at this very first line together. I'm going to read the first line, and then I'm going to go back and look at them, and I'm going to sort of discuss them with you and show you my thinking out loud. So the very first line has uncle, mission, agreed, local, and weather. So let's take the very first word, uncle. When I hear the word uncle, I'm listening for that unstressed syllable. Uncle, oh, oh. I hear that, oh. So uncle would have the second syllable would be the unstressed syllable. So this uncle would have the second syllable to be unstressed. Let's look at mission. Mission would have the second syllable to be unstressed because that's where I hear the schwa sound. Let's look at agreed. 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 Do you hear the schwa? So that would be in the first syllable because that comes at the beginning of the word. The next one is local. Local. You hear the in local. So that schwa sound is in the second syllable, which would be the unstressed syllable. And then our last example on this particular line is weather. Weather. This one's a little bit harder to hear. So that's what I'm talking about when you have to really stretch those words out, say them slower, really try to listen for that particular sound when you hear it. But weather has that schwa sound in the second syllable. So what I want you to do right now is I want you to take a minute, look at line 2, 3, 4, and 5, read the words, and then after you read those particular words, I want you to go back through, see if you can find the unstressed syllable and the schwa sound that you have for that particular word. So we're going to be thinking about, as you're reading these words, which syllable is unstressed, and it will have that schwa sound in there. Once again, that is that sound that can be made by any of the vowels that we know. So go ahead and pause this video and give it a practice with lines 2 through 5. Now that you've had some time to look at these particular words and practice this, we're going to briefly talk about spelling words for this week. Here you see in front of you are spelling word cards. And remember, when we're talking about our decoding skill for this week, we're talking about words with unstressed syllables that also include the schwa sound. So if you have these spelling word cards at home, if you're learning virtually this week, if you have them, I would love for you to cut them out because what you're going to do is you're going to do a sorting activity with these particular words. I'm going to show you how you would sort these words. So here's your spelling words. You have several of them. I'll read a few of them to you, and then I'm going to actually model for you on this particular instructional video how you would sort it. So we have entry, respond, adopt, limit, fortress, frighten, talent, neglect, surround, disturb, patrol, challenge, entire, fashion, distribute, wisdom, forbid, refuge, dozen, pirate, industry, impress, spinach, and adapt. So those are your spelling words for this week. I'm going to model how you would sort these words, and I'm going to use the word adopt. So I'm going to switch my screen. I'm going to go back to this, and I'm going to talk you through how I would model these words, or I'm going to talk you through my thinking in regards to these words. So as you see, I have two ways that I can sort these words. I have that they have the first syllable that's unstressed with the schwa sound, and then I have that they have the second syllable that's unstressed with the schwa sound. So as you're looking at these words, you need to be thinking, is that unstressed schwa sound in the first syllable, or is it in the second syllable? So I'm going to model for you the word adopt here that you see in front of you. So as I'm taking this word, remember we talked about in this video how sometimes you really need to stretch those words out so you can really hear all the different parts of the word. So we have the word adopt. Well, adopt. That's kind of hard for me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide it into syllables first. I know that will help me. And if you want to divide your words into syllables on your paper, you are welcome to do that on the cards that you have. So adopt, adopt. Okay, now I know this has two syllables. So I'm going to put that cursor there, and I'm going to now I've broken it up into two syllables, okay? Now, just because it has two syllables does not mean that it will go with two syllables that are unstressed. The second syllable is unstressed, okay? You've really got to sound that word out. So I have adopt, adopt, adopt. Well, when I sound it out and I look at those two syllables, I automatically hear that schwa sound at the very beginning. So the schwa sound would be right here. stopped. So this would go under this particular column. First syllable is unstressed with the schwa. It would not go in second syllable unstressed because our second syllable is not unstressed. Our second syllable is the stressed syllable. So as you're looking at these particular words and these cards, you need to remember that we are looking for that unstressed syllable with the schwa sound. Now, let's quickly go over what unstressed and stressed is. I just sort of want to reiterate that with you so you will have as much support as you can have sorting your words. So as we look at stressed and unstressed, I want you to remember that a stressed syllable is a part of that word that is pronounced with the most emphasis, and the unstressed syllable is pronounced with less emphasis. Okay? So remember that. So if you're reading these words and you need some help, first divide them into syllables. Sound it out as long as you can. Really stretch those sounds out. Think about which part of the word has the most emphasis or the less emphasis, and then also think about that schwa sound, because the schwa sound will always be unstressed. The schwa sound will always be unstressed. So today, when you're looking at your spelling words, I want you to sort them if they're the first syllable that's unstressed with the schwa sound or the second syllable unstressed with the schwa sound. So as we think about this video, let's think about what we've learned. We've learned about that schwa sound and how it is an unstressed syllable and how we can divide words up into syllables to really help us understand which one of those is unstressed with that schwa sound. And let's remember, the schwa sound can be made by any of our vowels that we have. So that's all that I have for you today. I hope that you have a great day, and I hope you work really hard on your spelling words. Have a great day. Bye.